Time, 15 minutes. Equipment, none. Good for butt, glutes. Instructions, repeat the entire circuit 2 to 3 times. Before you begin, get limber with a 6-minute warm-up routine. Afterward, cool down with a 5-minute stretch. Squat and lunge. How to. Start standing with feet slightly wider than shoulders, toes facing forward or slightly turned out, hands clasped in front of the chest. Lower down into a squat, making sure to keep your knees from passing your toes. Rise back to stand, and then take a large step forward with your left foot and lower down into a lunge, stopping when both legs form 90-degree angles. Keep right heel high. Do 15 per side, then continue to your next move. Donkey kick. How to. Start on all fours on the floor with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Keeping hips level and right leg bent at 90 degrees, lift right toes toward the ceiling until thigh is parallel to the floor. Reverse the movement to return to start. Do 15 reps on each side, then continue to your next move. Glute bridge. How to. Start lying on back with legs bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms by sides. Squeeze glutes and lift hips off the floor until the body forms one straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold this position for 2 seconds before lowering back to start. Do 15 reps, then continue to your next move. Squat jump. How to. Start in a squat with feet wider than shoulders, thighs parallel to the floor, and hands clasped in front of the chest. Swing arms behind the body as you jump into the air, straightening legs. Softly land back in the start position. Do 15 reps. That's it. Do these 4 exercises 5 times a week for 1 month, and watch the result yourself. We upload daily videos to help you reach the healthy, nice-shaped body you dreamed of. Help us to reach more viewers and like this video, tell us your feedback and subscribe to our channel.